Once upon a time in a small village nestled amidst rolling green hills, there lived a hard-working farmer named Raghav and his son Arjun. They were both known for their strong bond and their unwavering determination to make their lives better. Raghav had always dreamed of providing a better future for his son. He spent long hours toiling in the fields, trying to secure enough money to send Arjun to the city for a good education. Despite their modest circumstances, Raghav had managed to save up a considerable sum over the years. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with vibrant hues of orange, Raghav called Arjun to his side. He had a serious expression on his face as he said, "Arjun, my son, I have saved enough money to send you to the city for your education. The best schools and universities await you there, where you can fulfill your dreams and live a comfortable life." Arjun's eyes widened with surprise and gratitude. He had always dreamt of exploring the vastness of the world beyond their village. However, as he looked into his father's eyes, a newfound wisdom began to stir within him. "Father," Arjun spoke softly, "I am grateful for your love and the opportunities you wish to provide me. But I believe there is something more important that I must pursue." Raghav looked perplexed, his furrowed brow betraying his confusion. "What can be more important than education, my son? It is the key to a better life." Arjun took a deep breath, gathering his thoughts before responding. "Father, I have been observing you for years, dedicating your life to the fields and working tirelessly to make ends meet. I have seen the calluses on your hands and the fatigue in your eyes. You have given me everything I need, but what about your own dreams and desires? What about the dreams you've had to put on hold for my sake?" Raghav's eyes glistened with unshed tears. He had indeed sacrificed his own ambitions for the sake of his son's well-being. A mix of pride and concern filled his heart as he listened to Arjun's heartfelt words. "Father," Arjun continued, "I want to work alongside you in the fields. I want to ease your burden and help you achieve the dreams you had to set aside. Together, we can create a prosperous future for our family." Raghav's heart swelled with a mixture of emotions. He had always dreamed of witnessing his son's success and happiness, but now his son's selflessness and understanding had deeply touched him. "Arjun," Raghav whispered, his voice filled with love, "you have grown into a wise and compassionate young man. Your words have opened my eyes to the beauty of our present life and the potential it holds. Your offer to work by my side is the greatest gift I could ever receive." From that day forward, father and son worked side by side in the fields. Their bond grew stronger with every sunrise and sunset, as they shared stories, laughter, and dreams. Raghav taught Arjun the secrets of the land, passing down generations of knowledge, while Arjun brought new ideas and innovative techniques to enhance their harvest. As the years passed, their hard work bore fruit. The farm flourished, and their lives were filled with contentment. Their simple but fulfilling life became an inspiration to those around them, showcasing the power of unity, love, and sacrifice. The villagers marveled at the remarkable transformation in the father-son duo. Arjun's decision to forego personal ambitions in favor of supporting his father had not only brought them happiness but it also ignited